Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can add or upload your photos from your PC into your Dropbox. To do so, first of all, just open up your Google Chrome browser and search for dropbox.com, and then after that just log into your account. After logging into your Dropbox account, you'll be on the home page like this. After you are on the home page, on the top of your screen you'll see a upload or drop option right here. Simply click on it and now choose the file option to upload your photo, or if you have it in your Google Drive, simply click on import from Google Drive. Otherwise, if you select on files, wait a few seconds and now you'll be able to see that a different kind of folders or attachment will open up on your screen. And after that, you can just select the picture that you want to upload and click on it and just click on open or continue, and you can see that a uploading process kind of will be start on your text to confirm that a photo is being uploaded into your drive from your PC or laptop's file explorer. And that is how easy it is to save photo from your file explorer into your Dropbox and upload it there. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.